Welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to get Canva Pro for free. Make sure to grab it fast, as it's valid for only the first thousands people. So let's dive in. First off, click on the link on the description from there. Click on subscribe on YouTube in order to unlock the Canva Pro invitation. Make sure you subscribed, then go back to the link page. You will see the link is unlocked now before clicking the invitation link. Make sure you logged into your Canva account. Next, click the Pro invitation link, and you go now. You have joined the Canva Pro team. Next, click on your profile down below and make sure to select Liam Chen Team in Teams. Next, you can use everything that is Pro in Canva. Let's try it. And that's it, guys. If this video helped, please don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and like the video. Until the next one.